Hello everyone, how to solve this problem for the values of y if we have y minus 3 divided by 3 minus y is equals to 3 and we solve this problem for all the values of y. So here first we need to find all the roots of this equation and at the last we will be verify that which of the roots are solution and which of the roots are extraneous root. Further we solve this problem for two methods. I hope so you like both of these methods. But if you have any other method in your mind, so please don't hesitate to write this method into the comment section. And now we move towards our first method. And in the first method, we need to move this 3 minus y from left hand side to the right hand side. So when we move it into the right hand side, it is multiplied by this 3. And it will be written as y minus 3 is equals to 3 times of 3 minus y. And further in the next step we have this is y minus 3 is equals to, we multiply this 3 on both of these two values and it will becomes 3 times 3 becomes 9 minus this is 3 times of y. And now here we need to move the variable terms to the left hand side and all the constant terms to the right hand side, so that here you have this is minus 3y. When we move this from right hand side to the left hand side, it will becomes y plus 3y is equals to, this is minus 3. When we move it into the right hand side, it will becomes plus 3. And in the next step we have this is y plus 3y becomes here 4y and 9 plus 3 becomes here 12. So here we need to find the values of y. So for this we need to remove this 4 from left hand side, and that's why we divide both of the sides by 4. So when we divide by 4, it will be written as 4y is divided by 4 equals 12 is divided by 4. And this will becomes, this 4 is cancelled out by this 4 and we get here our y is equals to, this is 4 times 3 becomes 12. Then we get y is equals to 3. So this is the value of y which we get here in this method. So this is the only one value of y. And in the next step we need to verify that is this value of y be the solution or is this value of y be the extraneous root. So for verification of the roots we need to copy down given question statement here, so that the given question statement is y minus 3 divided by 3 minus y is equals to 3. And here we need to substitute the value of y is equals to 3 into the left hand side. So when you substitute it here, it will becomes, we put it will becomes 3 minus 3 divided by 3 minus 3 is equals to 3. Here our claim is that we just check that is our left hand side is equals to 3 or not. And now you see here 3 minus 3 becomes 0 and this 3 minus 3 is also becomes 0 equals to 3. And here you clearly see that in the left hand side we have this is the 0 by 0 form, and we usually call that 0 by 0 form is called the indeterminate form. So if our left hand side is indeterminate form, so we just say that in other words we say that our left hand side is undefined. So if our left hand side is undefined, this means that both of the sides are not equal. So if both of the sides are not equal, so we conclude about that the value of x, the value of y is equals to 3 is not satisfied our given question statement. So if y equals to 3 is not satisfied our given question statement, so we call that y equals to 3 be the extraneous root of the given equation. Okay, so y equals to 3 be the extraneous root. This means that we cannot get any value of y which is satisfied our given question statement. So we conclude about the solution set of this question is that this question has no solution. Okay, so this question has no solution in general. This is the final conclusion about the solution in the first method. And now here we move towards our second method. And in second method we need to copy down given question statement here, so that our given question statement is y minus 3 divided by 3 minus y is equals to 3. So here in this method we just quickly find the values of y. So here this is the very quickest method. So in this method we need to focus into the numerator term. So this is y minus 3, and when we will take common negative sign from here, it will becomes minus times of 3 minus y divided by 3 minus y is equals to 3. And now you see here these two are the two same factors. These are cancelled out by each other, and we will get here this is minus 1 is equals to 3. And here you clearly see that minus 1 is not equals to 3, or in other words we just say that it is not possible that minus 1 is equals to 3. Okay, it is not possible case. So it means that if this is not possible case, so we cannot get any value of y which is satisfied our given question statement. So it means that the final conclusion about the solution set of this question is that this question has no solution, because we cannot get any value of y which is satisfied our given question statement. So this is the final conclusion about second method, and this is the final answer of this question. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.